Industrial companies are generating more data than ever before. Operational data, engineering data, maintenance data, business data. Yet most of it remains disconnected across plants, files, databases, and cloud platforms. The challenge isn't collecting data, it's turning it into intelligence. AWS provides scalable cloud infrastructure. DeepIQ adds industrial connectivity, contextualization, knowledge graphs, and AI. Together, they transform industrial data into operational intelligence. Industrial data comes from everywhere: historians, SCADA systems, sensors, SAP, maintenance systems, engineering records, edge devices. DeepIQ's DataStudio creates a unified pipeline that moves data from any source into AWS. Once data reaches AWS, DeepIQ DataStudio orchestrates the entire lifecycle. Visual workflows automate ingestion, transformation, monitoring, and governance across the enterprise. Most platforms store data. DeepIQ gives it meaning. Asset hierarchies, equipment relationships, operational context. DeepIQ automatically builds industrial knowledge models that connect information across the enterprise. DeepIQ goes beyond traditional data platforms. Using AI, engineering drawings and P&IDs can be digitized automatically. Equipment, symbols, and process relationships become part of the enterprise knowledge graph. With industrial knowledge in place, AI becomes dramatically more powerful. DeepIQ enables predictive maintenance, anomaly detection, semantic search, AI agents, and operational copilots grounded in real plant context. For more information, please contact us at info@deepiq.com.